For this life, no judge anybody. That's why I no tell you anything that yesterday. I hear say Tinubu dey carry fuel go 2,000 naira now. Na true?
Leave Kana. Make una leave Kana.
Leave sugar, Mac. No be diabetes by your uncle. You don't hear say Kana buy person before?
I say make I look out to my guys. Wetin come bring my late uncle?
Na sugar buy and be no be sugar.
No worry, he sharp. Na me mess up.
Remember when that your uncle dey teach us maths for secondary school? We chop cane tire because of late coming. Punctuality is paramount. Punctuality is paramount. He said. Who late now? No matter what, no fuck up. Oh. Even Mumu go dey advise you. And once Mumu don dey advise you, your life don spoil. So since when he start that mango business, people now dey advise mango will be season. May APC not happen to you.